This is new tonight at 5:30. Thousands of dollars worth of repairs, all after just buying a car.
Yeah, that's the reality many drivers are facing right now. Troubleshooter Diane Wilson's here with the steps you need to take before spending your money.
When I found this one, it was kind of one of the only available that I could afford.
Desperate to find a reliable car, Wake County mom Amanda Outland paid more than $13,000 for this used car.
Trusted that it was in good condition.
But soon after buying it,
it started making a lot of noise, jerking, losing power essentially. It would not go up hills.
After taking it to several shops, she learned the car she just bought now needs a new transmission, plus other repairs to a tune of $8 to $10 grand.
What am I going to do? There's no way. You know, I can't afford to fix it.
Since Amanda bought the car as is, the place she bought it from wouldn't help.
We have nothing to say. You bought it, you signed, good luck.
And that's exactly what I'm hearing from dozens of ABC 11 viewers who recently bought used cars.
It's like an epidemic. We didn't see it before the pandemic. I think it's an effect of very few new cars available. The used cars are, everyone's vying for them, and the prices have gone up.
Steve Sargent, owner of Mr. Transmission in Cary, says it's key before buying any used car. You need to have your own mechanic check it out.
Estimate the cost of the repairs to get the car up to the standard, and then it's negotiating ability, if you will, with the used car dealership to say, hey, it needs $1,500 worth of work. I'll give you this number, and you can kind of negotiate a better purchase.
After Sargent heard about Amanda's troubles with her used car purchase, he wanted to help.
I said I'd do it at my cost to try to help her situation because she had limited funds. So that's what we did, is we put a transmission in it, we put tires on it, new brakes.
A huge relief to Amanda that got her back on the road.
I wanted to cry when I picked it up.
After going through this used car buying ordeal, she now has this advice for others.
Definitely have it taken to be looked at and make sure that it's a quality vehicle. I didn't want to pay for someone to look at it, which in retrospect seems, silly now, but it would have saved me a ton of problems.
Some great advice. It costs an average of about $100 for a mechanic to look it over and tell you what's wrong with it. That is money well spent if they save you from buying a car with thousands of dollars worth of problems. Remember, if you buy a car as is, the minute you drive off that lot, all the problems are now yours. I'm Troubleshooter Diane Wilson, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
Boy, oh boy, thanks to the troubleshooter. Thanks to Mr. Transmission.
That was
nice. He saved the day.
A good mechanic worth their weight in gold, too.